In this short video, we're going to look at how you can use Explain Everything as a live lesson solution. So to begin with, I'm going to open up the app. You'll find lots of different options, but I'm going to choose Invite and Collaborate, the second option here. I'm going to choose a blank canvas, so that basically gives me just a simple whiteboard that I can use to explain concepts to my class. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to join with the microphone on. That basically means that my students can hear me, and I'm now broadcasting out a signal inviting students to join my blank whiteboard. So let's have a look at what it looks like for the student. So the student opens up the app. They don't need to log in or anything like that. They just choose Join Class. They then type in the code. Now it's quite small, but on the right hand side I can see the code here on my teacher iPad. So that's the one hurdle. I need to share that code with the pupils. They then type it in and they will join this blank whiteboard. Now at this point, I would advise your students or pupils not to turn on their microphone, so that they're simply listening to the teacher and not interjecting themselves, at least with their voices. Okay, so as the teacher, I can draw things on my whiteboard and the pupils or students will see what I'm drawing in real time, as well as hearing my voice over the top of those explanations. So I can really use this to explain all sorts of concepts. Likewise, the pupil can draw things and the teacher will see what they're drawing. So that means that both the teacher and the pupil can work together on whatever it is that they're doing. It also means that the teacher can set up an idea for the pupil to answer or to contribute to. So for example, I'm going to just draw just a simple maths question here. And then the pupil can answer that question by writing on the whiteboard themselves. What's more, after the teacher has left this whiteboard, the pupil can still carry on with it. So there you go. That's how you can use Explain Everything as a live lesson solution.